Pro tip: maximize kills with Arsenal codes. Learn how to unlock codes and boost your arsenal for epic gameplay.
Hey gamers! Want to dominate Arsenal? I've got the scoop on secret codes that'll skyrocket your gameplay. Let's dive in and snag those codes to stay ahead and crush your opponents. First up, track these codes down. Follow Arsenal's social media and Roblox community forums. Developers love dropping secret codes there. Stay alert and grab them as soon as they drop. Got your code? Time to redeem it. Click the codes button in Arsenal, type it in, and watch your rewards roll in. Quick and easy, just like leveling up your gameplay. Now, let's talk firepower. Use codes like Bloxy or Poggers for awesome weapon skins and upgrades. Watch your opponent's jaws drop as you dominate the leaderboard with your upgraded arsenal. Last tip, stay updated. New codes drop frequently. Keep an eye on Arsenal's channels and the Roblox community. Be the first to know and keep your arsenal maxed out. Alright, gamers. Time to jump in and try these codes. Let me know how they work for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic Roblox secrets. Game on!